Hello and welcome. I'm 3D Modeler on YouTube, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to combine textures into one, so that when you have an object, or 3 different objects, you can combine them into one object and get one texture from that. But you need to do a little bit of work on the texture side, but that shouldn't be that much of a problem if your mesh is unwrapped properly. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add the eyes to the face. So I'm going to select the face and I'm going to collapse the face too. And the same for the textures of the eye. Like so. And then I'm going to select the face and then attach each individual eye. Like this. So now we have the eyes and the face as one object. As you can see, I can only select one object here. Then I'm going to attach a unreviewable modifier to the face, and this is should have the channel ID 1 because this is the first channel that we're going to work with, and that way we save the channel as it is. And then we're going to add a new unreviewable modifier to the face, and that we're going to set to channel 2, and we're going to abandon the previous settings. So now when we go into the editor, whoops, sorry about that, I'm trying again. Unreviewable modifier, channel 2, move the previous settings, and then go to edit. We can see here that the eyes, or the texture coordinates for the eyes are on the face itself. So I'm going to rescale the eyes, and this is both of them. If you wanted to and wanted different eyes, you could do something like this. Just move the ears out of the way, like so. And now you have 2 different eyes. So now that we have those done with the IDs different, we can press 0. Then the first thing we're going to do, we're going to set a folder for it, and in this case I made test. And then I'm going to go down here and pick the second texture channel. I'm going to delete these 2. And then we're going to add the diffuse texture, which is the normal skin texture or texture itself. Add the element. Then I'm going to press this button here, and then we're going to press render. And now, as you can see, it renders everything. So it takes the previous texture coordinates and attaches the new one to them and renders one sheet here. Don't mind the face, I know it's not unwrapped properly. And there we go. So that's the new texture. Now, what we need to do is actually use the texture. So I'm going to open the texture up, if I can find it, and if it rendered it properly. As you can see here, it did. So that's the new texture that we have, and yeah, that's fine. And now we can go in here and we can right click on this and collapse all, and now we have one head and one texture. And there was something wrong in the burning. Let's remove this part here, delete, and this one should be set to move. This one should be set to 1. Move, there we go, and I can collapse this, yes. And now when we do this, it should work. So there you go. That's one texture from 3 different objects, and we burnt the diffuse. And hope that helped you. 3D games for you. This is 3D Modeler on YouTube, and thanks for watching.